Last spring, we did the Wisconsin Dells boat tour of the Upper Dells. It was a really awesome tour. Great scenery. I know I'm just getting the video done. Kind of crazy, right?
Today we are taking the Dells boat tour. It's about 39 degrees, so we opted to stay inside the bottom part of the boat where it's enclosed and heated. So pretty excited for this tour.
Well, good morning, everyone. I'd like to welcome aboard the General Bailey. About to embark on a 2-hour, 10-mile round trip tour of the beautiful and scenic Upper Dells of the Wisconsin River. Still on their way in, but there are a few pairs here.
We really wanted to sit on the top of the boat, and that's open air seating, but it was so cold we couldn't do that. We had to sit inside where it was warm and heated. But as you can see, the scenery is just beautiful.
Front right, you'll see the only all-rocky island we have here in Upper Dells, called Steamboat Rock. They call it that because as viewed from the air by aerial balloonists, had the pumpkin seed shape of an old steamship. I certainly don't see it from this perspective, though.
You want us to dock down there?
We are docking for our first stop at Witch's Gulch. This was a pleasant surprise. So pretty.
Witch's Gulch.
We are. It's Witch's Gulch. Ooh.
I wonder why it's called that.
Like this.
From last Saturday.
I so wish it would have been much warmer so that we could enjoy and take in the scenery a bit more. I felt like we were kind of rushing through just so we could get back to the boat and get warm again.
Yes, it is. Too bad it's not warmer so we could linger a little longer.
So as far as our tickets, I had searched online, then I actually found a deal where I got a discount for buying this tour together with the Dale's Duck Boat Tour. So because I bought them both at the same time, I got a discount. So you might want to do a little searching online and check that out, see if it's still out there. Isn't that beautiful? So next, we went back to the boat, back on the water, and then headed towards our next stop, which was Stand Rock. And there was someone there to go over the significance of that with us.
Between Stand Rock and the mainland is about 5 feet. It was made famous by Henry Hamilton Bennett, the same photographer that Mark mentioned at the Witch's Gulch. Back when he started up his photography business, though, photography was much different. You actually had to sit still for about 3 minutes to take a photograph. So this being said, you couldn't capture anybody or anything moving. They'd appear blurry or not really show up at all when developed. So this was problematic for him as he did want to document the lives of the lumber raftsmen out here on the river. And of course, they were moving. So So what he did is he came up with a new camera he called the Snapper. It was one of the very first stop action cameras. And he used that to document the lives of the lumber housemen out here. But unfortunately, when people saw his early images, they thought they were all staged, just because they hadn't seen anything like it. They thought men were standing still, ropes and lumber were held by wires. So to prove everyone wrong, he came out to this point to take a photograph that couldn't possibly be faked, to prove everyone wrong. Climbed up on that rock behind you folks, and then he sent his 14-year-old son, Ashley Bennett, onto the mainland to get this perfect picture of his first attempt, or his second, or his third. It took 17 jumps before he got this.
Wow, 17.
And that was taken back in 1887.
Hope you enjoy viewing our Wisconsin Dells boat tour.
Travels with the Baldiloks.
Like us on Facebook.
And subscribe to us on YouTube.